Horses out here, Queen Cuba. As the begin, moving a party out, so now is ready to rumble in the Hay Street Song, Lucky Point. And Royal Biba is the early trailer, and going along for the first turn, we have Queen Cuba by about 3 lengths. Ready to rumble in second, 2 lengths away in third, Street Song, Lucky Point in fourth. Then comes In the Hay, and a long way back to Royal Biba. They swing into the back. Queen Cuba this time by about 6 lengths. Ready to rumble in second is Street Song, is racing in third, Lucky Point. Moving a party outside In the Hay, and Royal Biba still racing in last. Still Queen Cuba by about 6 lengths. Ready to rumble, moving up is Street Song on the outside. In the Hay now, moving up to take fourth. Then comes Lucky Point and Royal Biba. Queen Cuba by only 3 lengths. Then here comes his Street Song down on the inside, ready to rumble. In the Hay now, racing in fourth. Lucky Point and Royal Biba as they come down at the last 200. Queen Cuba ready to rumble. Is Street Song moving a party out, so now is In the Hay together with Royal Biba. It's now ready to rumble by about 2 lengths. In the Hay now, moving up to take second, Royal Biba on the outside. But it's still ready to rumble by about 3 lengths. In the Hay, and finally, ready to rumble, Lucky Point. Then comes In the Hay, Royal Biba, Street Song.
4-3-2. 2-4 pa, dumating ng 1-2. Right?